Biological classification. Biological classification is the scientific process of grouping and categorizing organisms based on shared characteristics. This system helps in identifying, naming, and studying different life forms efficiently. 1. History of classification systems. A. Two-kingdom classification, Carolus Linnaeus, 1758. Kingdom Plantae includes plants, fungi, and some bacteria. Kingdom Animalia includes all animals. Limitations. No distinction between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. No differentiation between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Fungi were grouped with plants despite major differences. B. Three-kingdom classification, Ernst Haeckel, 1866, introduced a third kingdom, Protista, which included unicellular organisms. C. Four-kingdom classification, Herbert Copeland, 1956, added kingdom Monera for prokaryotic organisms, bacteria. D. Five-kingdom classification, R. H. Whittaker, 1969, kingdom Monera, prokaryotic unicellular organisms, bacteria. Kingdom Protista, eukaryotic unicellular organisms, protozoa, algae. Kingdom Fungi, heterotrophic spore-forming organisms, molds, yeasts, mushrooms. Kingdom Plantae, multicellular autotrophic eukaryotes, plants. Kingdom Animalia, multicellular heterotrophic eukaryotes, animals. E. Three-domain system, Carl Woese, 1990, based on ribosomal RNA sequencing. Domains: 1. Bacteria, eubacteria. 2. Archaea, archaebacteria. 3. Eukarya, protists, fungi, plants, and animals. 2. Five-kingdom classification in detail. A. Kingdom Monera, bacteria and archaea. Cell, type, prokaryotic cell, wall, present, peptidoglycan in eubacteria, pseudopeptidoglycan in archaea. Mode of nutrition, autotrophic, chemosynthetic, photosynthetic, or heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic. Reproduction, asexual, binary fission. Some bacteria show gene transfer via conjugation, transformation, transduction. Examples: Escherichia coli, Streptococcus, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. B. Kingdom Protista, eukaryotic unicellular organisms. Cell, type, eukaryotic cell. Wall, present in some, e.g. algae, absent in others, e.g. protozoa. Mode of nutrition, autotrophic, euglena, diatoms, or heterotrophic, amoeba, paramecium. Locomotion, cilia, paramecium, flagella, euglena, pseudopodia, amoeba. Reproduction, asexual, binary fission, sexual, conjugation. Examples: Plasmodium, malaria parasite, slime molds, diatoms. C. Kingdom Fungi, multicellular, heterotrophic organisms, cell. Type, eukaryotic cell, wall, present, made of chitin. Mode of nutrition, heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic, symbiotic. Reproduction, asexual, spores, budding. Sexual, plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis. Examples: yeast, Saccharomyces, mushroom, agaricus, molds, rhizopus. D. Kingdom Plantae, multicellular autotrophic organisms. Cell type, eukaryotic cell. Wall, present, cellulose. Mode of nutrition, autotrophic, photosynthesis. Reproduction, asexual, vegetative propagation, spores. Sexual, flowering plants, pollen and ovules. Examples: algae, Chlamydomonas, bryophytes, mosses, pteridophytes, ferns, gymnosperms, pine, angiosperms, rose. E. Kingdom Animalia, multicellular, heterotrophic organisms, cell, type, eukaryotic cell. Wall, absent mode of nutrition, heterotrophic, holozoic, ingestion of food. Reproduction, mostly sexual. Examples: porifera, sponges, arthropods, insects, mollusca, snails, chordates, humans, birds, fishes. 3. Virus, viroids, and lichens. A. Viruses, a cellular non-living outside host. Structure, protein coat, capsid, plus genetic material, DNA, RNA. Reproduction, only inside a host cell, lytic and lysogenic cycle. Examples: HIV, AIDS, influenza virus, tobacco mosaic virus, TMV. B. Viroids, infectious RNA particles. Smaller than viruses, lack a protein coat. Example, potato spindle tuber viroid, PSTVD. C. Lichens, symbiotic association of fungi and algae. Fungus, mycobiont, provides water and protection. Alga, phycobiont, performs photosynthesis. Examples, Usnea, Parmelia. 4. Modern taxonomic hierarchy organisms are classified using the Linnaean hierarchy: kingdom, phylum for animals, division for plants, class, order, family, genus, species. Example, human, classification, kingdom, Animalia, phylum, Chordata, class, Mammalia, order, primates, family, Hominidae, genus, Homo species, sapiens. Conclusion. Biological classification is an essential part of studying biodiversity. The five-kingdom system by R.H. Whitaker is widely used, but modern taxonomy considers molecular and genetic evidence, leading to further refinements like the three-domain system.